Well, this was today's project to get this new engine in here, and kind of worked out. The prop, I had to sand it in the center hole to enlarge the hole, get that on there. Then I drill the 4 bolts here, drill that out, got the engine all installed. Next is this throttle connection here. I'm gonna have to install a servo over there where it looks like it used to be, but the engine that I took out of here had the connection on the other side, so someone had done that. But now back to the other side. So that was today's project, just to get that in, because it took some measuring and stuff like that, measuring the cow, get that in. But there's some stuff that's already done, so I don't have to worry about that pull system, some of the wiring, extensions and all that. Kill switches there. Just have to install all new plumbing and the new tanks. And then, yeah, get it up there. All right, that's what's been happening today. And just wanted to document it for future reference. 50cc engine going in. I think it's a 55 actually, but either way, same difference.